Whether you are a digital marketer, a beginner or a learner, digital marketing events and conferences are significant at every stage. Apparently, events help you learn new things, grow your business, and provide you with various opportunities to expand your connections. So this year has a lot of events in its bucket, and there are just for you. In a nutshell, multiple chances to grow your connection and raise the bars of your business prospects. Hello everyone and welcome to Propel Guru's YouTube channel. We all know that networking is crucial in the digital marketing field, and to build a great network, attending conferences and events play a huge role. Moreover, this year Team Propel Guru also attended DigiPlus Fest 2023, a digital marketing event held from 2nd to 3rd February 2023, where we gained some fantastic insights about the digital marketing events that will play a major role in 2023. With the same approach, we have come up with a video including all the big digital marketing events that will be happening in 2023. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First on our list, we have this global virtual MarTech summit, which will take place on 22nd February 2023 as a virtual event. Additionally, more than 600 attendees and 35 thought leaders and experts are expected to mark their presence at this event. Well, it's an event for a day where various tycoons from the best digital marketing company will come together to share insights on data, consumer and digital experiences. Second is the CX Transformation Assembly event, which will happen on 7th to 8th March 2023 in Charlotte, North Carolina. This event provides the founders, CEOs, CTOs and executives of the company with an opportunity to network and learn about the latest trends and technologies, including the challenges faced by brands after the pandemic, AR and VR, experience design and more. Third, we have Social Media Marketing World, which will take action from 13th to 15th March 2023 in San Diego, California. If you are a social media enthusiast looking to enhance your social media consulting services or marketing skills, mark your calendars. Also, one of the YouTube's highest paid stars, Daryl Eves, advisor to Mr. Beast, will be attending the event as a speaker. So do not miss out this opportunity. Fourth on our list is Reputations Transform 2023, which will take place from 3rd to 5th May 2023 in Austin, Texas. The event's primary focus will be on managing customer feedback from beginning to end to maintain a long-term relationship with the customer. Next, we have the Lead Generation World London event, which you can attend in London, UK from 9th to 10th May 2023. Moreover, the event will focus on helping advertisers and lead buyers to use insightful content for the targeted audience. Last but not least, Forrester CX North America Forum 2023 will take place from 13th to 15th June 2023 in Nashville, Tennessee. Here, the attendees can grow their network with a positive approach with industry leaders, Forrester analysts, sponsors, and more. The year 2023 has come up with many more such events that will be held annually, focusing on digital marketing and its latest trends and technologies. Make sure you take advantage of them and proceed with your business identity to the top level. We are very excited and can't wait to hold to this opportunity to learn and grow. So, are you ready to explore the big events of this year? This was all from my end, and I hope you found this information helpful and insightful. For more such latest information and updates, remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you. See you next time.